Hi, good evening. Welcome to त्यागी टॉक्स. त्यागी हूँ, मेरठ का हूँ और खुश हूँ. Today I have a very special guest, Advocate Ritu Kapoor. Ritu is a very close friend, and मैंने अपनी दाढ़ी मुंह इसलिए निकालने के आया हूँ because she is a matrimonial lawyer and she is a divorce lawyer. She deals with domestic violence. I didn't want to give my shabby look. पता नहीं मुझे किस चीज़ में बुक करके अंदर कर देती है आज. So that is I've come clean shaved without specs. I want to give that decent look. But leaving jokes aside, Ritu is a very eminent lawyer. Thank you Ritu for coming on to Tyagi Talks and taking this opportunity to go and speak to people. Very important in today's time when everybody is at home. Everybody is sitting at home, working from home. People, when we used to working so closely, being at home, let it be the spouses, let it be parents. So people have started to know each other much more what they have not done in the last so many years. Unfortunately, this has risen to a lot of disputes as well. This has risen to a lot of fights, and there was a lot of this messages to me that why don't you call in somebody who talks to us, lets us know what we can do. And in that time, immediately Ritu Kapoor struck my mind. I said, being a very dear friend, she is an expert in this. So before I hand it over to Ritu Kapoor, let's hear to the Tyagi anthem, and then Ritu Kapoor will be with you guys, and you can ask any questions to her. If there's anything that you need to raise to her, feel free to do that. So here we start with Tyagi anthem.
Welcome to Tyagi Talks. Hello everybody. Good day to you. Some live, some die, some lose, sit and cry. Some love eat chicken fried, but Tyagi Talks. Some brew and sigh, and afraid to even try. Some wither away and die, but Tyagi Talks. Some walk away with their head held high, some sit and wonder why. Some look at you and don't say hi, but Tyagi Talks. Some live, some die, some lose, sit and cry. Some love with a chicken fried, but Tyagi Talks. And Tyagi Talks.
Okay guys, you will have to give me exactly 30 seconds. I move out and Ritu comes in. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Facebook live session, and thank you so much Amit for giving me the opportunity on the forum of Tyagi Talks. It's really great, and anthem was very nice. So I will start the session with one quote, one of my favorite quote on relationships, that if you want sex, make it clear. If you want relationship with someone, make it clear. If you want somebody to talk, make it clear. If you want a time pass, make it clear. If you want someone's help to move on from another relationship, make it clear. But don't use anyone. I repeat, don't use anyone. Thank you. So now I would like to start this session. I'm a matrimonial advocate. I'm practicing at District Court Gurgaon and taking care of all type of matrimonial cases, include domestic violence, divorce, mutual divorce, maintenance, 498A complaint at the police station, and I do take care of that too. And in detail we'll be talking about divorce today. But yes, looking at the scenario, this lockdown scenario, the maximum cases of domestic violence have been reported, and unfortunately, yes, so many people have been approaching me too, and I have filed 4 to 5 cases in the month of June itself. So in today's sessions we'll be talking about divorce, mutual divorce, yes, little little bit about that too, and domestic violence and matrimonial issues. If there would be any query from your side, I'll be addressing that too. So though I'm a matrimonial advocate, but yes, at the same time they're saying it's hello. Now is it hello? Can you hear now?
We couldn't hear you.
Yes, now it is audible. Okay. So though I'm an advocate, matrimonial advocate, but at the same time, before that, I'm a woman, wife, human being, definitely. So I can understand the need of relationships. Everyone, every person, so they would like to save their relationship, and they really put in efforts to save their relationship. Nobody wants to desert anyone or leave anyone just like that. So, but still sometimes there is a need of an advocate. So what is the need of an advocate? Why do we need an advocate? At what stage? Sometimes people are confused with that only, कि हमें कब जाना है, हम कब जाकर हम मिलें किसी एडवोकेट से, ऐसी कौन सी सिचुएशन में, शादी के 5 साल के बाद या 10 साल के बाद, अभी और कितना और टाइम है. But let me tell you, there are the kind of cases I am dealing with. If you would like to know, I have dealt with the cases of a marriage of 25 years, and recently I have filed a case which was a marriage of only 2 months. So you never know when that situation comes. Okay, when you will end up in that situation. So as if you see, it is just like visiting a doctor. If you have a headache, if you have a stomach ache, so you try some kind of home remedies. You try that, okay, fine, you will wait after that home remedy. Once you will take whatever, you will tie a hanky on your head, or you will take some pudin hara or something to settle down your stomach ache or so. So you will wait for some time, but then if it is not under control, later on you will take some medication. Even if after that also it is out of control, then you will see, okay, fine, now I need to visit the doctor. There is a need to visit the doctor. In the same case, when the situation is out of control and you think now there is a need to visit a lawyer, advocate, because let me tell you when, because anyone who is facing these issues or going through this rough or bad relationship in life, they will talk to their family, their friends, and you should always approach to your close friends, to somebody, to your mom, your father, your brother, anyone with whom you are comfortable with. You should talk to that person. If you can handle the situation, you should always put efforts. And if there is any scope, you should always try to save that relationship. But yes, if the situation is out of control, then definitely there is no need to go through that bad relationship for that long. Okay, then at the end of the day, you will be shattered, you will lose your confidence, or so many other things will start happening. Okay, so it is always better at that stage, you should visit an advocate, visit your lawyer, and take suggestions. And in the beginning only, after putting all those efforts, meeting friends and relatives and marriage counselor or anyone, after that you should visit a lawyer to know your rights and information, that how I should go about it. Because there are few people, those who are coming to us, they have already approached the police people, they have already approached so many other things they have done, and then later on at that stage when they come to us, then it is sometimes it gets difficult for us also to to go in a proper way. Okay, so there is a proper formatting and steps which we need to follow as an advocate. Legal steps I'm talking about. So need of an advocate we have already discussed. So now I'm coming to the situation when you land up in a situation, और जब आपको ये लगे कि yes now अब मैं ऐसी एक situation में आ गया हूँ that now there is no scope, अब कोई तरीका नहीं है इस relationship को चलाने का या इस relationship को save करने का, then you can always talk to your partner. आप उनसे बात कर सकते हो, and I would advise, it is always advisable to go for a mutual divorce to avoid unpleasant litigations, and it will save you to blame each other for those allegations definitely in the court. But yes, having said that, I'm not saying that you should compromise to those things on those things which is not acceptable to you. If those conditions are not acceptable to you, those terms and conditions, then you should not go for mutual divorce. Then you should definitely go for divorce under section 13 of HMA, that is Hindu Marriage Act. Now we'll be talking about, after this, once you will decide that to go for divorce, you can always you should know that what are the grounds for divorce. The grounds for divorce are cruelty, desertion, adultery. Cruelty can be your mental cruelty, physical cruelty. कोई भी जैसे जिनकी शादी होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें घर में वायलेंस है, मारना पीटना है, अल्कोहलिक हैं, और जैसे आजकल बहुत मेरे पास केसेस आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे 1-2-4 ऐसे केसेस हैं जिसमें कुछ वो और अदर सब्सटेंसेस दे आर टेकिंग, अल्कोहलिक भी हैं और ऑल अदर सब्सटेंसेस दे आर इनटू. सो दोज पीपल आर गोइंग टू दैट एक्सटेंट जो कॉम्प्रोमाइज या ऐसा नहीं है कि उसको बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसी लेवल पे है कि आप एडजस्ट करते रहो अपनी लाइफ में. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट ओवर देयर यू शुड ऑलवेज टेक अ स्टैंड फॉर योर सेल्फ. सो क्रुएलिटी, डिजर्शन, कोई ऐसे छोड़ के चला गया है या कुछ है तो ऑब्वियसली यू शुड गो फॉर एडल्ट्री, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द ग्राउंड फॉर डिवोर्स. एंड एनी डिसीज विच इज इनक्योरेबल, विच इज नॉट क्योरेबल, and renunciation if somebody decides to leave the world, responsibilities and everything and go for this renunciations and go to path of God or something. And if there is no news of a person from last 7 years that where is that person is, or so these are the basic grounds for divorce. And now we will talk about the jurisdiction. Okay, so the jurisdiction for divorce is where you can file the divorce. You can file the divorce where the marriage is being solemnized. जहाँ पे भी शादी हुई है जिस शहर में, वहाँ पर आप फाइल कर सकते हैं. जहाँ आप रहते हैं वहाँ पे भी फाइल कर सकते हैं, और जहाँ आप दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ लास्ट रहे हैं जिस शहर में, जैसे आप गुड़गांव में रहे हैं और अदरवाइज वैसे अभी आप दिल्ली में शिफ्ट हो गए और आपकी वाइफ आगरा चली गई अपने मायके वापस, तो यू कैन ऑलवेज फाइल इन गुड़गांव ऑल्सो बिकॉज यू लास्ट रिजाइडेड इन गुड़गांव. सो इन दैट केस द jurisdiction part is also done. So now I would like to tell you about a tip from my side. See, right now maybe you don't need my help, but let me tell you, बहुत सारे मेरे ऐसे क्लाइंट्स हैं जिनको ये बात नहीं पता थी कि वो कभी लाइफ में मेरे पास आएंगे. They were not aware that they will ever approach me in life. Okay, so in that case क्या होता है उनके पास जब वो आते हैं तो समटाइम दे आर क्लूलेस. उनको पता ही नहीं होता है कि अब हमारे पास पेपर्स कौन से होने चाहिए थे, हमारे पास कौन सी नॉलेज होनी चाहिए थी अपने स्पाउस की. तो इट इज ऑलवेज एडवाइजेबल एंड देयर इज नो हार्म ऑल्सो to keep not drag, I would not use the word drag, to just have a knowledge about your spouse, financial status, about income, about property details, about all those things which will help you in future if a case has been filed from any of the side, if from the boys side or from the girls side. So it will help you. Okay, so that is my suggestion for all of you, to have knowledge about all these things. And now I'll be talking about domestic violence. Domestic violence is a act that is only for ladies, only for girls, that can only be filed by the aggrieved woman. Aggrieved woman can be the mother, then can be a wife, can be the sister-in-law, or any lady who has been suffered of cruelty of mental, physical, sexual, economical, and any kind of cruelty. Okay, so that can be filed by that aggrieved woman, and she can always preserve her rights of residence in that, right of protection. There are few cases, जैसे ऐसे कुछ मेरे 1-2 cases हैं, जैसे example उसमें, yes Mihika, hi Mihika, yes definitely I'll answer this query about this child custody. I'll be talking about this after this domestic violence. So domestic violence, we were talking about domestic violence. So domestic violence, in that you can preserve the right of residence, you can preserve the right of protection. Protection का मैं आपको बता रही थी, जैसे बहुत सारे ऐसे केसेस आते हैं जहाँ आफ्टर मैरिज वो कोई भी बॉयज या गर्ल्स साइड में anyone, what they do, they try to defame the other person. Okay, so the girl definitely domestic violence can be only filed by a aggrieved woman, but yes, the orders can be passed for both. They can restrain the other person to contact any of her relative, any of her friends on electronic contact or Facebook or any Instagram. So in that case, he'll be restrained. That person will be restrained to write anything against about that aggrieved woman. So in that case, protection right can be preserved. And residence, she can always, lady is definitely entitled to have residence rights, so she can always preserve her that right also, residence right. Monetary and the compensation and custody, yes Mihika, you wanted to know about the custody. In this only we can always preserve the right of custody. Before 5 years the child is normally is given to the mother only. The custody has always been given to the mother, and after 18 though there is no question of custody. So in between the age of 5 or 18, so it depends upon the situation. It depends upon all those things, that who can take care of the child, they can take the statement from the child also, and definitely so many other things, and that can be worked on, like in our courts at the time of divorce also, mutual divorce. So that point is always being taken care of, that visitation right, if we talk about the child. So that point is always our honorable judges are always, they mention, they make it, they want that paragraph to be very, very clarified in a very proper way, that visitation right, when the child should meet the person or not, because otherwise later on this can also be again can be an issue between two of them. So in DV we can claim the custody, or DV means domestic violence, or we can always find a case, separate case for that, the custody of the child. This is all about this matrimonial issues, and I would like to give you information, little bit information about 498A also. What is exactly 498A? 498A is cruelty against woman by her husband or in-laws or relatives, That can only be filed at the police station level if there is any problem she is facing, any mental, physical or emotional distress she is facing. So she can always go for that too. And there is one maintenance, that is 125, section 125 of CRPC, that can also be filed because it is a basic need for basic amenities. It is the responsibility of the husband to fulfill all those needs. So that can also be filed by aggrieved woman. And डिवोर्स एंड रेस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ कॉन्जुगल राइट्स. अगर अभी आपने रिसेंटली वो मूवी भी देखी होगी थप्पड़, तो देयर वाज अ केस फाइल्ड बाय द बॉयज लॉयर. Now he had filed that case, that restitution of conjugal rights, that is section 9. So yes, the boy has that right, because in one of my case also I find that case. In that case I would just suggest tell you the gist that in that case the girl went just after 1 month of marriage. She went to Bangalore and she was not ready to come back. She said that I'll come after some time, after 2 months, after 3 months. So he kept on waiting. But later on he had to file the case. He was not getting any response. जब उसको नहीं मिला तो he was left with no other option. So he never wanted to fight for divorce. He was clear that yes, I want to stay with her. But why she is not coming back and taking care of her marital responsibility and all other things? So these are the few rights which boy also have. And these two things, divorce and restitution of conjugal rights, can be filed by both the parties, by boy and a girl. But maintenance, domestic violence and 498A can only be filed by an aggrieved woman. This is all about from my side. So now I would tell Amit to put my details over there, and you can always contact me whenever you feel like.
There's a question.
Mihika, yes, Mihika has written one question. So how long does divorce gets granted in our in Constitution? No, there is no, Mihika, there is no time period for that. So in matrimonial cases, we really can't talk about time period. So sometimes the moment we file and they change their mind and they within 2 months they decide, okay, we want to go for mutual divorce, and the things are settled between us. Sometimes they reconcile, okay, and sometimes it goes for good 2 years or 3 years, or it is like that. So it totally depends upon the person to person. So we can't talk about the time parameter over here in matrimonial cases. So it can be finished within 2 months to 2 years or so long. So thank you so much, and I would tell Amit to share my details, and I have my office in Sector 50, Bani Square, and you can contact me anytime whenever you feel like. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, Amit is taking over.
Hi guys, thank you, and thank you so much, Ritu. I think this was extremely good knowledge that you gave everybody. My bit of advice: I know there are tough times. Everybody is going through tough times. People are at home. There are economical issues, there are financial issues. People have never seen with them being for so long. Please be happy, be safe. Domestic violence and all this will continue. You guys need to first go back. रखो. It's बहुत ज़रूरी है कि we take control of ourselves. The last sessions and the people who have not attended, अगर त्यागी talks देखोगे, हमने anxiety पे बात की है, हमने depression पे बात की है, हमने child development पे बात की है, हमने happiness पे बात की है. We have heard Dr. Petru, his wife, on how to take care in this tough times. How does depression psychology affect each other? It's very important. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि in this time हम रहें, साथ रहें. Right, I will put Ritu's details, and I'll put it on Tyagi Talks for whoever who wants to get in touch with Ritu. feel free. You can get in touch with her directly, and I'd be more than happy if she can come up and help. Ritu, once again, I think it was really nice for you to come over and speak to us. The details that you put, I'm sure people will benefit out of this, and you know what you have told them. And what I liked when Ritu was speaking and when she started, I first loved that motto of hers: be very clear, don't use people, guys. बहुत ही जरूरी है कि हम लोगों को यूज ना करें. I think Ritu, that's outstanding what you follow. Secondly, what I liked when she started, she said, मैं भी एक माँ हूँ, मैं भी एक बेटी हूँ, I'm a daughter-in-law. It's so nice that people, and she goes, I've seen Ritu going to police stations every now and then. She, visiting them twice, thrice a day, and having that emotional angle while going and fighting cases, I think is really valuable. So thanks so much, Ritu. And guys, thank you for logging into Tyagi Talks. Next Thursday, I think we'll have a very, very special guest. I will just try to contact her to get her on Tyagi Talks. Those very difficult. She's a tarot reader. She does a lot of other things. I will try to contact her and get her on to Tyagi Talks. But thank you for logging in. Stay happy, stay safe. Bye.